Hey guys, Jeff at Hubie's Garage, and yeah, it's been more than a minute. So just wanted to do an update and let everybody know what's going on. First off, I just want to apologize to all of my great subscribers and even the channels that I follow. I haven't really been following and catching up with everybody. I haven't been following along with videos, and obviously I haven't put out videos in quite some time. Just wanted to apologize to everybody for that, because I have some really great and loyal subscribers and friends. So I just wanted to update you guys. Today's Labor Day, and figured it'd be a good time to sit down and let you guys know what's happening. So there has been just a ton of things going on. In fact, as a retiree, I almost wish I was back at work, because I tell you, I'd probably wouldn't be as busy if I were back at work. And I was on a busy fire engine. So anyway, I have been dealing with all kinds of stuff involving family, the house. We're basically chasing a couple of illnesses within my immediate family that we're trying to sort out. It's kind of like working on a car. You know, you got to get the car into the mechanic when the car is acting up, and we're having those issues right now with some of my family members. So we're trying to get through that, and we're doing well with it. But you know, it's just been a long process. You guys know how things like that can take some time, and you know, insurance isn't always your friend. So been dealing with a lot of that. Been dealing with a lot of things with the house, just trying to get things situated and sorted out, and you know, just all the basic life issues. We've also taken on a couple of new daily drivers with my daughters driving, as well as one soon to drive. We have some cars for them, and we have obviously a 2001 Chevy Duramax, which is my tow rig, that's been taking a little bit of my time, as well as a Yukon, a 2008 Yukon Denali XL that you know, it's a great truck. It's amazing. It was my wife's Suburban, and we've been driving it for, well, I think we're up to about 120,000 miles on it now. And it is one of those vehicles, there's so much electronics and so much niceties on the Suburban, that you can go through your grocery list of things that need to be fixed on that vehicle, and within a matter of a week, you've got 3 more items that pop up that need repair. Not saying anything bad against GM or anything of that nature, but it is it's a needy car. And you know, it's not going to be one that we're going to keep in the stable here for too much longer, because I really don't need 2 trucks. So you know, I've got my pickup truck, and we've done a lot of work on that, and really about the only thing left that we have on that one is just to get it painted, because I have some big news coming up shortly, and I'm not going to get into that today, but it will be involved with the channel. It will be involved with everything. I'm still here. I'm still planning on growing the channel, still planning on working on all these great 55 Chevys. Everything is still the same. I still have the Del Rey that's waiting in the queue. I have the Gasser that is trying real hard to get to my paint and lettering guy, but he's going through some real struggles right now with medical issues within his family, and I'm just waiting for a moment when everything gets better in his life, to where he can take the car and paint it the original sea mist green, and then do the lettering on the historic Gasser, because that car is just an amazing car, and it's got the most views of any car on my channel. And you know, let's just face it, it's a fun time capsule, and I owning it. I feel like I've been a curator at owning a rolling museum. So even with its history and even with the value of the car, we're still going to take the car out and drive it. So the Bel Air two-door sedan, the one that I've been doing a slow resurrection on. That was my first 55 Chevy that I bought when I was 15 and a half years old, the orange and red one, the Gypsy Red Indy Ivory car. Still in the process of working on that one. Still pretty much up to date from what you saw as far as videos go. I have a lot of footage of a lot of the cars. The other car that we have, obviously, is Howie's hardtop, the red 55 Bel Air hardtop. That car's been sitting. I've got a couple little minor issues, little minor electrical issues that need to be updated on that. Maybe we'll bring the camera along for that. And the other item is the 67 Bug. The 67 Bug, we had some footage from the third trip out to the Nitro Garage to see Newt and Dustin. And unfortunately, the video, for some reason, I tapped the GoPro and it went into hyper mode and basically recorded in 8x speed. Anyway, yeah, it was a good part of the video that unfortunately we lost because we did a walk around on a lot of Newt's projects and some of the cars that he owned and some of the updates, and it was some really good stuff. But yeah, unfortunately, none of it was usable. So anyway, that's pretty much it, the updates with the cars. The other issue is, yeah, we've got something big coming around the corner. What I'm going to do is I do have some footage that I'm going to try to put together. I basically have just tons of different pieces of film that need to be put together, organized, and send some videos out. So I'm still in the middle of going through all the stuff that we're going through. I've got about 3 to 5 different active issues that have basically pulled me away from the channel, and it's all, you know, good stuff. It's all stuff that will resolve itself, which is great. But again, one of those big issues will be coming up soon, and I'll share that with everybody a little bit later. So you'll just have to tune in for some of the future videos. It's not merch. I mean, I do have merch. I do have stuff. I've, you know, just got a new Hubie's Garage hat, and then I had one of the designers do one of the new shirts that came out really nice, where they got rid of the white background. I did a poster, keychains, stickers. I've got tons of stuff. So don't know what I'm going to do with that in the future as far as you know, marketing that stuff. But yeah, that's not what's coming up. It's something bigger than that. So it's all good stuff, all good for the channel. And again, I want to get back up on the horse again. I'd like to grow the channel. We've basically, since I haven't been putting anything out, you know, YouTube isn't real kind to that. So anyway, yeah, enough of me rambling. Hope you guys have a great Labor Day. I hope it's been a great Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys are enjoying time with your families. I've got all my family here, and it's been great. We've been barbecuing and you know, just taking a little time to ourselves with all the stuff that we're going through right now. It's like I say, it's just a lot of busy life stuff, and you know, most all of it is all good stuff. So you'll see that coming up. So anyway, I have some great subscribers, some great friends, and the best thing in the world for me to do is keep the videos coming. And I appreciate all the great comments and dialogue that I have with you guys. You guys truly are great friends, and I sure do appreciate having you here and be a part of this channel. Take care, guys.